Hey guys, it's Paul again. I wanted to give you a quick tour of my ZOHD Talon, Rebel Talon GT, and what I've done to it. It's actually converted to a VTOL right now, and yeah, I'll take you through it. So what we got going on. Got two carbon spars. They are not solid, they are hollow in the middle, square, and we've got these 3D printed motor mounts out of nylon and T-motor, what are they, 1500 kV 2806.5 F90s with 6042 bi-blades all around. We've got on the underside here our wiring from the motors plugging into the fuselage with MR30 plugs. Got the Emax analog servos with a 3DR pitot tube airspeed sensor. Alright, let's take a peek inside. Oh, also up top in the back we've got the Here3 GNSS system. So there's a lot going on in here. Up here in the front, since I'm using Cube Pilot, Cube Orange, which is super cool because now it's NDAA compliant, I have the power brick here, plug the battery in, and then the Cube gets its power from this 6-pin cable. I've got a 3DR telemetry radio here, antenna on the side, and the actual air unit is, where is it? It's back here somewhere on the side. Oh, it's back here. Got a drone tag BS remote ID. Here's the MS4525 airspeed sensor. And then the Cube Orange. Let's see, we've got Telem 1, I2C, USB. Got a Spektrum receiver in here. I'm going to switch it over to ELRS just because I like ELRS much better than Spektrum. Spectrum's expensive. And powering this thing, I've got a 70 amp Castle Talon ESC for the rear motor, which is another T-motor F90 1300 kV motor. And then underneath all this mess below, it's gonna be really hard to see, but I've got a TBS Lucid, what is it, 65 amp ESC 4-in-1 for each of the 4 motors. And then I've got a little Arduino Nano right here that is running the code for the strobe light right there. So it's got the exact pattern that like commercial and recreational manned aircraft have. So that's pretty cool. So obviously with Cube Pilot, I'm running Arduino Pilot. And then it also actually got this is a 5-volt voltage regulator, and I can plug in a Raspberry Pi Zero and run a camera so a mapping camera. So I can attach a Pi camera with a big old lens on it underneath the wing and have it programmed to take a picture every second. And then when it lands, can snag all the pictures and do some photogrammetry, which is pretty cool. So this thing is fully autonomous from takeoff to land. I use the V modes in ArduPilot. Or no, excuse me, not V modes, Q modes. There is... it's been a while since I've flown this, so I'm going to have to look exactly which Q modes we're using. Again, but it flies great. It does draw some power. I originally designed this to run off of lithium ion, and I was using 18650 cells, which just sag like crazy on this thing, especially when technically all 5 motors are going. The transition period from VTOL to airplane. But now I'm going to get some 6S 21700 cells that are rated for 70 amp continuous discharge and 140 amp burst. But this thing is fun. I would love to put FPV on it. I just don't know how to integrate that with QPilot. Well, I guess you could power the DJI VTX easily, but no on-screen display. So yeah, that's it. Really cool project. If anyone's interested on tackling it, let me know and I can help you guys out. Thanks for watching. Bye.